Here's a little video update on the Am Outlander. It's doing good actually. After I put in those limit straps, it's been performing pretty well. So far so good. It's 2017 Am Outlander, 6-inch lift on 6-inch portals. Still have the Rhino axles. They're doing pretty good now with the limit straps. These are 40-inch tires, BKT, the good ones, 171. I gotta do an oil change. I gotta change out the fluids for the portals, and that's it. Gotta start uploading more videos. I haven't been uploading. Haven't been riding much actually. So I'm gonna start uploading more. This Saturday we're gonna go out to ride, and yeah, hopefully we can have some good footage there, and we'll get you guys some videos. And yeah, man, it looks good. Just finished washing it, so we'll see.